Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Audi A7 automatic. First, let's get comfortable. Adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and control. Locate the gear selector, typically a sleek lever or button system, and identify the main driving modes like park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth and confident start to your journey in this sophisticated vehicle. To start your Audi A7, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, move the gear selector into the D position for drive. Release the parking brake if it's engaged, and then gently apply pressure to the accelerator pedal. The car will smoothly begin to move forward, offering a refined and responsive driving experience right from the start. Your Audi A7 features Audi Drive Select, allowing you to tailor the car's characteristics. Choose between modes like Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, and Individual to adjust steering, engine response, and suspension. For a more engaging experience, utilize the paddle shifters located behind the steering wheel. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left to downshift, giving you manual control over the 8-speed automatic transmission. When you're ready to park, bring your Audi A7 to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Once stationary, shift the gear selector into the P position for park. For added security, especially on inclines, engage the electronic parking brake, usually a button near the gear selector. Finally, press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine. You've successfully driven and parked your Audi A7 automatic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.